Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to fix an app that cannot be opened because the developer cannot be verified on the Mac server. The error cannot be opened because the developer cannot be verified is part of that security layer that only lets you install the apps from the App Store or some verified developer. This can be a problem if you want to run your own native Mac application that hasn't been verified by Apple. Some apps are trustworthy but are not registered in Mac's app libraries and, therefore, cannot be used. macOS, by default, sets the access privilege for the application downloaded only from the App Store and certified developers. If you are not able to run any application because of its source, you can force allow it from the Mac settings. Go to Settings. Go to Security and Privacy. In the General, click on the lock icon at the bottom of the Security and Privacy window. Enter the user credentials and click on Unlock. Select the App Store and Identified Developer button. Then try again. Note, change the app permissions if you are sure that the app poses no risk to your system or data. The method we just discussed was a quick fix to get around macOS's security check. While installing another unverified app, the operating system will again restrict you, forcing you to repeat the previous process. To avoid this hassle, you can use this method to fix the problem permanently and run any application without the macOS checking its source. Now, open the terminal. Now, type the following command and hit enter. You can check if the command line has been executed by typing this in. Next, go to Settings. Go to Security and Privacy. Go to the General tab and then click on the lock icon. Enter the user credentials and click on Unlock. From the Allow Apps Download section, choose the Anywhere option. Now, try installing the apps that the OS restricted earlier. Note, this method will bypass the security restrictions laid out by the Mac OS. This could lead to the installation of potentially harmful software too.